Hi, everybody. I'll show you the car. You can through the car through the cell phone from 10 kilometer or 100 kilometer everywhere in the world. Control the car. Control the car. I'll show you the system. This is a cell phone. This is a cell phone. This is my cell phone. I can use the cell phone, control the cell phone, connect to the cell phone, and this phone have a video. You can through the, you can in your cell phone show the video from the cell phone in the car. This cell phone connected through the Bluetooth connected the car, and you can remote control the car from everywhere in the world. 4 kilometer, 10 kilometer, 100 kilometer, and in the world everywhere. You can through the 4G network connect the car.
Okay.
I'll show you. We provide a development platform. That everyone can write a program to control the car. For example, you can put a machine gun on the car, and you stay in your home, and control the car to fight, kill your enemy. I'll show you. For example, we that's very good. Go back. Stop. Go straight. And right.
这是滑坡，下坡，这是一个下坡，这下坡不行啊！
This is the I will write a program to driverless control the car. Driverless. Everyone can use the driverless car for shipment. You can we provide the platform, all of them. Include the cell phone, include the system, all of them only need 200 2000 US dollar. It's very cheap. Please contact me. The follow